Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by ensuring you have admin or user settings access. This prevents permission errors later. Next, open Start, go to Settings, then System and Power and Sleep. That's where timeouts live. Once done, look at both display and sleep timeout fields for battery and plugged in because you'll change each. You won't skip steps. Making sure you can edit both values avoids surprises, and it sets the stage for immediate, effective adjustments to keep the monitor active. Now you modify the values. Set display timeout to never, or input a very large number if never is unavailable. Do the same for sleep. Then, open additional power settings, click Change Plan Settings and modify Advanced Power Settings. Set Turn Off Display to never and check PCI Express Link State Power Management. Set it to off to avoid hardware sleep. Once done, save changes. These steps stop software timers and reduce hardware-triggered sleep, so your monitor stays on reliably. Finish with verification. Leave the system idle for the previous timeout to confirm the monitor stays lit. If it still sleeps, update graphics/display drivers, disable vendor power management utilities, and ensure USB or HDMI devices aren't issuing sleep signals. You can also create a custom power plan, save it, and export it for reuse across machines. One quick troubleshooting tip: if changes revert, check Group Policy or Enterprise Management tools. They commonly
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.